This video is a quick look at the appointment schedule and its invoicing function in SoftSell. There is a lot more to SoftSell and there are many more videos in production. You may watch additional videos on our website, softsellpos.com. This is the 12-volt version of SoftSell. It is tailored to the mobile electronics business and offers hundreds of hours of development on features specific to the needs of 12-volt and auto accessory dealers. Let SoftSell save time and effort for you. SoftSell allows you to create and schedule an appointment very quickly. In this video we will create an appointment, set a date and time, and show you how to invoice an appointment when a customer arrives to pick up their vehicle. This is the SoftSell main menu. A couple of notes before we begin. You may easily replace the SoftSell logo you see in the upper right with your logo. Printed invoices may also display your logo and custom messages. Window background colors can be changed as you wish. This color selection affects layouts throughout SoftSell. A customer would like to make an appointment to have an app installed in his Ford. From the main menu, click the App Form button to display the appointment screen. The last appointment created is displayed. At the top of the screen, click New Appointment. A new blank record is created. Type the customer's phone number with or without dashes. If they are in the system, customer data will appear. A list of prior invoices for this customer will appear bottom right. You may click a View button in the Prior Invoice portal to view a prior invoice in the Invoice View form. Click the App Form button to return. I will enter the customer vehicle, a 1440 Econoline. I could type it in, but I like the red box button. It offers a vehicle make model select function. I will click it, select the make, and choose from the models. Installation will take about 1 hour. I will select 1 hour from the install hours list. He wants to drop it off on the 21st. Looking at the available hours for the 21st, we do have time. I click on the 21st to enter the selected date into the appointment. There are a few methods available to enter the appointment time. Type it, click the time number buttons, or select from the drop-down list. The customer will drop off the vehicle. I will select that option. I will now enter the part number for the unit to be installed. The Now in Stock field displays the quantity we have on hand. Now I'm going to display installation hardware functions to obtain required part numbers for the installation. In this default schedule form there are 2 methods you may use to navigate. In the upper right corner, click to select a destination. In the bottom right, click the destination radio button and click Go to Selection. Choose Installation Hardware. Click on the vehicle's trim level. Part numbers will appear below. I check that the radio button control is set to enter items into transactions for me. I need a doubled-in kit. I will click into the kit part number field. Click Process Item. A harness adapter. The customer already has a harness adapter, so I will skip it. And an antenna adapter. I will click into the antenna adapter part number field. Click Process Item. Now that all the products are entered, I will enter a part number for installation labor. This appointment is complete. I click to print the appointment for the customer. I can also click to send an email or a text reminder. The customer wants to pay now. I click the Create Invoice button to generate an invoice. Note, if this is a wholesale job or the customer will be billed for this installation, I can select Receivable Invoice Type if settings permit. I select the pay method and print a receipt. Thanks for watching. The next clip shows how automated entry systems function in the scheduled database. A customer arrives and requests a remote start be installed in his car. We will use the automated entry system in the appointments database. Remote start installations are common. Users create packages for each model product. We created a couple. In the main menu under the Appointment Schedule button you'll see a few smaller buttons. Click the Auto App button. SoftSell will display a list of packages created in the automated entry system. Click on the remote start package the customer has requested. A new appointment will be created containing all items in the package. SoftSell uses the customer phone number as a key to their data. Note, phone numbers may be entered with or without dashes. However, if you know the customer's name, you do not have to ask for their phone number. Click the blue first name field heading to display the customer name index. Scroll to their name or type the first letter of their last name to jump to that section of the list. Scroll or use the up and down arrow keys to highlight their name. Press the Enter key and customer data will appear. The cursor will appear in the vehicle year field. Enter a 2-digit year and press Tab to advance into the model name field. Type the model name. You may also click the red box to the right of the model name to select from the make and model index. SoftSell knows thousands of vehicles. The install hours field may or may not be populated based on your package content. Set or adjust the install hours field if required. Normally, you may have to check your schedule to see what dates and times are available. In most cases, checking the schedule is not necessary with SoftSell. The appointment entry form tells you how many labor hours you have available for each day. Simply scan the list for the available hours you need, click a date, and you're done. This feature in combination with the automated invoicing and name functions allow you to create and schedule appointments in seconds. When the job is completed and the customer returns to pick up their vehicle, click the Schedule button. The list of today's jobs will appear. Click the View button in the customer appointment. In the appointment form center screen, there is a Create Invoice button. Click it to generate an invoice. In the invoice, click the Full Payment button and select the desired payment method. Click Print to generate a receipt for the customer. This is a quick view of line item commission functions in SoftSell. These functions are available in both the appointment schedule and invoicing database systems. These functions also operate for both installers and sales personnel. Employee Setup allows you to assign a COM ID to selected employees that you wish to be available for line item commission assignment. We will start in the appointment form. In Invoices and Appointments, there is a default field for installer and salesperson. If no further action is taken, items in the invoices are credited to these employees. However, installers often share work on vehicles. In this situation, simply assign the items that were done by a different installer to the appropriate COM ID. When an appointment is edited in this manner, it will carry through to the related invoice. If it is already invoiced and is not set properly, perform the similar edit in the invoice. While we are here, I'll show you the Items Selection function. We are in the Item Index by Sales Department. Adapters are currently listed. Let's switch to Labor. I will click the Department selector and choose Mobile Audio Labor. Simply click an item to add it. Thanks for watching. This video offers training for time management and job assignment functions available in the SoftSell appointment schedule software. Time management permits you to easily and effectively manage installers' time to service your customers as efficiently as possible. When appointments are created, installers are often not entered. They are assigned the day before or the morning of installation. There is a Job Assign button in the main menu. Most screens in the SoftSell appointment schedule database display a Time Management, Job Assignment button in the upper menu bar. When you arrive in the Time Management screen, see the 3 list sections that display appointment data. Click the yellow date box at the top and select the date you wish to work on. By default, it will contain today's date. Next, select an installer ID in the box above the Unassigned Jobs list in lower right corner. The list on the top right half of the page is a list of assigned jobs for the selected installer. Below this list in the lower right are all the unassigned jobs for this date waiting to be assigned to an installer. We recommend that you look for unassigned jobs that are flagged as wait and assign these first. Wait tells you the customer is not dropping off the car but will be in your waiting room. Assign all the wait jobs first so your customers are taken care of when they arrive. When you assign a job, it will move the job up to the installer's job list. On the left side is a job detail list for the selected installer in 15-minute increments. There are colored boxes for each quarter hour. A blue box denotes scheduled work. If you see a red box, it means appointments overlap. Green boxes denote available time for the installer. If you click a green box, an appointment will be created containing the selected time and date. The 15-minute increment list will change colors and the assigned jobs will appear. The Reassign button will move jobs back down to the unassigned list. In the Assign Jobs list upper right, there are buttons next to the start time and job length. These permit you to make adjustments to plan out the workday for each installer. Modify start times only for jobs flagged as drop-off. SoftSell will tell you if you try to change a start time for a job with a wait flag. Job length adjustments can be made to any appointment to correct inaccurate data. You will see the 15-minute increment list update as you adjust start times and job lengths. When you are done, you can print or email installer reports. Additional functions available in the appointment schedule software. There are many, here are just a couple more. This is the function selector. It changes the data offered in the appointment form. I will select the customer history and appointment option. This is the appointment schedule for today, below is the invoice history for this customer. Next, I will select items by model option. I can select a model name and see all the items in my inventory that are created for this vehicle. A special function in the inventory system automatically populates the make and model indexes based on your item descriptions. Now let's quickly check out the hardware application functions. SoftSell offers functions to assist with creating appointments for audio installation projects. Information on thousands of vehicles and their aftermarket hardware applications is built in. Part numbers for all the dash kits, harnesses, adapters, antennas, and accessories from all the major manufacturers. After you enter the vehicle year and model, a list of trim levels will appear. Simply click the appropriate trim level and part numbers for your installation accessories will appear along with speaker applications. Before long, all functions will have related training videos. We will link these videos into the appropriate forums in SoftSell. Click a help button and a video will explain the function available in the screen you are in. Thanks for watching. SoftSellPOS.com 774-404-5554